This is everything. I'm done blow drying the hair, and this is what
I'm so in love, I'm going loco. And this not a joke. The way I feel, I know one they feel before. I can take it anymore. My heart inside, it they burn like a fire. My every desire, it be you I admire. C'est comme ça, ça se passe ma chérie. Tous les jours, all I do now for you.
So today I'm about to blow dry my hair, and I just want to come and show you guys how I blow dry my hair. So this is gonna be like the last blow dry that I'm gonna do on my hair for this year, because I have played with blow dry this year quite more than often. I just want to show you guys how I blow dry my hair. If you guys are familiar on my other YouTube page called Amy Fullest, you guys have seen or have reviewed this. So since I bought this thing, I have been finding it very easy to blow dry my hair. The only thing, the annoying thing, is that it has this heat. It doesn't really do like a straightener, like straighten your hair. It gives you more of that blow dry effect. So this is what my hair looks like blow dry. It does not look like straight iron. It doesn't look like flat iron. It looks more like blow dry. You can still see that texture in it, so it more look like a blow dry. You guys can see it has a lot of smoke. This is the only bad thing about it. I'm gonna show you guys how I blow dry my hair. I've already moisturized my hair, and I did a deep conditioner before I blow dry my hair, because whenever you're gonna put heat on your hair, you always have to make sure you take good care of your hair, because heat's kind of damaged. So I deep condition and I moisturize my hair. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. I'm just gonna take piece by piece, because I think the smaller section you take, the more nice the blow dry looks like, you know, because when you take a big section, it doesn't really stretching that much. But when you take a smaller section, when you guys compare, like this is can you compare, like this is what my hair is look like. This is not when it's wet, this one is like dry, because whenever I wash my hair, I kind of put it in a high puff like this, and I kind of like wrap it to stretch it out a little bit. So this is also kind of stretch out a little bit. But can you guys compare it to this one? So now that I have patterned this one, I'm going to take my moisturizer just a little bit, put it on my finger, focusing more on my ends, and then work my way downward. Yeah, after I'm done massage this into my hair, I'm going to take my brush, and I'm just going to start from the top. You guys can see the heat. You guys can see it's getting better and better. I just like to the end, because I want the end to stretch. You guys, you gotta take the end and then leave it in a little bit. And you guys see, this is what it looks like. It looks pretty decent. You guys can see it looks pretty decent. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to try to get this out of the way. So now I'm just going to take another section of hair. Maybe a little bit bigger. You guys can hear my daughter. She's downstairs alone playing in the baby box. and she's just like talking. Her siblings went to the library to get new books, so she's like playing in the box, so you guys could hear her screaming. So yeah, this is what I'm going to do. I've already moisturized all my hair, so you're just going to, I just like to go step by step. Whenever the hair is not pulling, I don't force it because I don't want to root my hair like that. And then you're just going down. I like to go upwards like this. You guys know this is not a flat iron, so even though you get your hair straightened, but the root is not going to be that straightened. It's still going to have the natural texture on the root, because you guys can see this one does not touch all the way down. You guys can see all this one is still puffy and looking natural. Yeah, the root, you guys can see the root is still looking puffy because this cannot reach, it can't reach the root, like it can't. So the root is still going to look puffy. If you want, you can go in with a flat iron, but I don't want to. I'm just going in with this. You guys can see it gives out a lot of smoke. So now you guys can see what it looks like. I'm going to do the rest and I'll be back to show you guys the finished result, so please stay tuned. So this is the finished result. This is the end result. This is everything. I'm done blow drying the hair, and this is what my hair looked like. This is not really like a straighten, it's more like a blow dry. You guys can see, you can still see the texture of my hair, and my edges have been doing pretty good. I've always had like a really thin edges, but it's much more better than last couple of months or a year ago now. I used the Jamaican black castor oil on my edges, and now it's getting better, you know. That's why I try not to like braid all this very tight braid. And so this is what it looks like. This is what my hair looks like. This is what my hair is right now. You guys can see it's pretty long. I also did some, you guys can see it's pretty long. It has passed my collarbone. So yeah, I did some trimmed on my hair. I trimmed my hair a little bit. So I'm kind of really happy on how my hair has grown. Yeah. So this is everything. Tell me if you guys like this video, and if you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on my Instagram. I'll put a link below. Like, I have an Instagram where I only put pictures of hair, of my hairstyle. So I'll put a link below, and I'm also come back to show you few of my simple hairstyle you can do without using any gel or something. So if you guys are interested on that, like normally what I like to do after I blow dry my hair like this, I like to pat my hair